for over 2 years now, and it's been an absolute pleasure, sir. Lloyd is a brand that believes in giving happiness to its customers with their world-class products. I've been using their products for over 2 years, and I can assure you that they're truly world-class. Like he said, I've been interacting with them, and they're coming up with a state-of-the-art modern manufacturing plant in a few months. And this truly stands for the Make in India philosophy. And I congratulate you, sir, and it's been an absolute pleasure associating with you. Thank you. Had to be said, sir. But it looks fantastic, and I'm waiting to install it in my house. And wishing you all the best and congratulations once again, sir. అనుకుంది కాదండి 5 years నుంచి అనుకున్నాం అది టు హ్యావ్ అ మల్టీప్లెక్స్ విత్ ఏషియన్ ఫిల్మ్స్ సునీల్ గారు అండ్ నారాయణ దాస్ గారు. సో ఇట్స్ బిన్ అ 5-year plan. So finally we just launched it 2 weeks ago. Really happy that it was one of my dreams and it's come true.
ఓకే సార్, మేము ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసాం, చాలా బాగుంది సార్ థియేటర్.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Like if you buy anything, you more consider first brand or
They are
what?
very, very important for me, and because when I sign a brand, I think a lot, because eventually, the brand also has to add value to me. So that way, I've been very conscious of all my brands, and yeah.
No, but while you are buying something personally, what kind of conscious you are about brand buying or doing shopping something? Are you a brand conscious?
Not really. I mean, like, if they're very good, I will obviously go ahead and buy. But otherwise, I'm not conscious. No. To be honest, I've
Which
done
one?
the trial shows before, but I've not seen a full film yet. So I'm waiting to go watch.
Which one?
I don't know. My schedule is packed. I've been working like round the clock. So I'll catch a film soon. So it's been 2 years. Lloyd to ఉన్నాను. It's been an absolute pleasure being with them. It's a brand, they believe in giving happiness to customers with their world-class products. So 2 years since I've been using their products, and I can assure you that they're truly world-class.
సో నారాయణ దాస్ గారు వాళ్ళది ఏషియన్ మూవీ, సో మీరు వాళ్ళతో కలిసారా లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ మీరు వాళ్ళు కలిపి వేరే
No, it's a combined brand of AMB means it's Asian film, Asian Mahesh Babu. So we are partners, and it's one of the first cinemas we've opened, and we'll be opening more in the future.
ఓన్లీ హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ ప్లాన్ సార్ లేకపోతే ఇంకా బయట?
We are looking at other cities also, sir.
అంటే దేశవ్యాప్తంగా లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ తెలంగాణ?
Other cities also, so we're looking at other cities also, not only in Hyderabad, but other cities also.
Thank you.